Hey there, van enthusiasts and business owners! Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated commercial vehicles of the year, the 2026 Ford Transit 350. Whether you're hauling gear, transporting passengers, or running a mobile workshop, this beast is designed to keep your operations rolling smoothly. So buckle up, because we're breaking down everything you need to know about this next-gen workhorse. The wait is almost over! While some markets like Brazil have already started seeing the 2026 Transit debut, general availability across North America is expected as early as fall 2025. And if you've been eyeing the all-electric e-Transit, production on that next-generation model kicks off in 2026. It's shaping up to be a big year for Ford's legendary van lineup. Now, let's talk numbers. If you're wondering how much this powerhouse will set you back, expect pricing to stay competitive with current models. The 2025 Transit 350 starts around $56,400 MSRP for the cargo van. And while official 2026 pricing hasn't dropped yet, it'll likely hover in that range. Of course, depending on your configuration and options, prices could climb higher. But trust me, it's worth every penny. Under the hood, the 2026 Transit 350 doesn't disappoint. You'll still find the proven 7.3-liter V8 gas engine, pumping out 325 horsepower and a whopping 450 pound-feet of torque. Paired with the smooth-shifting torque-shift 6-speed automatic transmission, it's perfect for heavy-duty tasks like towing and hauling. And let's not forget the versatile 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, which offers both gasoline and twin-turbo variants. There's even speculation about a potential hybrid powertrain combining the 7.3-liter V8 with electric assistance, for those looking to dip their toes into electrification without fully committing. One of the reasons the Ford Transit has dominated the market for years? Its incredible versatility. The 2026 Transit 350 continues this tradition with multiple configurations tailored to fit your specific needs. But where the magic really happens is with Ford Co-Pilot 360. This suite of advanced safety features includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and more. Plus, fleet managers will love the real-time tracking and predictive maintenance alerts that help keep downtime to a minimum. And now, the elephant in the room, the future of EVs. While the traditional gas-powered Transit remains king, the e-Transit is getting a major upgrade for 2026. Rumor has it, Ford is developing a dedicated electric platform specifically for the e-Transit, promising longer ranges, faster charging, and enhanced performance. If you're ready to go green, this might just be the van for you. Let's step inside. The 2026 Transit 350 focuses heavily on driver comfort and productivity. Ergonomic seats reduce fatigue during long hauls, while smart storage compartments make organizing tools and supplies a breeze. Every detail, from the layout of the dashboard to the placement of cup holders, has been thoughtfully designed to maximize efficiency. So there you have it, the 2026 Ford Transit 350. With powerful engine options, unmatched configurability, cutting-edge tech, and a nod toward electrification, this van is more than just a vehicle. It's a partner for your business. Sure, it may not look drastically different from previous models, but sometimes evolution beats revolution. And when it comes to reliability, capability, and innovation, the Transit delivers every time. If you're in the market for a commercial van that can do it all, keep your eyes peeled for the 2026 Ford Transit 350. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Until next time, stay safe out there, and happy hauling!